Dear friends around the globe, it is my pleasure to announce the call for papers for the Aleksanteri Conference 2021. Our topic is Eurasia and Global Migration. We had to postpone this conference last year because of this exceptional pandemic situation, but it offered us a new opportunity, which is to organize the conference this year in a completely online virtual format. We hope that we will be able to provide you not just high-quality scientific contributions, but also an interesting cultural experience. We will be starting already in the springtime with a series of podcasts that highlight our conference topic. This year, you don't have to worry about what kinds of shoes to wear or to take your umbrella with you, because the October weather will not stand in the way of a great conference. So please welcome to Helsinki in a virtual format in October this year. Hope to see as many of you as possible.